Hi guys, it's Larry. I'm going to take a ride going westbound today, which is against a pretty stiff wind. We've got 15 to 20 mile an hour winds coming up off the ocean. So this is partially a microphone test to see if the microphone cuts enough of the wind out for this to be publishable. So if you're seeing this, it means it worked. Anyway, we'll go on a little ride. We'll have a little talk. It'll be cool. So I say it'll be a little cool, but we'll see about that. All right, so we're headed westbound. You probably notice a little wind coming up. And I want to talk to you about the three personal electric vehicles that I own, the Hero, the Sherman, and of course the OneWheel. The Hero has suspension, but not much range. It gets about 45 miles. The Sherman does not have suspension, but its range is, for me, probably 90 to 100 miles. So that's an advantage. The OneWheel, much slower than the other two, but I found it to be really relaxing. I found it to be slower, but more fluid somehow, particularly since I kind of learned to ride it, not have to be worrying how to ride it all the time. I'm sure you understand it's the way it goes. I mean, I kind of compare it to learning the stick shift. When you're learning it, everything is really mechanical, but then when you're done, it sort of happens and you can look around at the scenery and stuff. So anyway, with that in mind, I'll talk a little more about these vehicles, but I'll let you take a look at the OneWheel as we go. So the Hero is very powerful. The Hero must have a bigger motor. I can go up to 35 miles an hour and really not feel it. Whereas on the Sherman, the moment I get towards 30, I get a vibration. And it's not from the wheel, it's because there's no suspension and the roads are rough. So the Hero, maybe due to its bigger motor and the suspension, is very fluid. It's very easy to go faster than you want. The OneWheel, I'm maxing out at about 15 and a half miles an hour, but that's not an advanced setting. I'm sure I could go faster with a different preset. But the OneWheel is fun. I'm going to try it on sidewalks in a little while. I'm going to meet some friends of mine from Muni High School. So that'll conclude our little half-mile ride.